Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how you request access to a file or folder in Google Drive. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the files that you have in Google Drive. So as you can see under suggested, I have the files that I have recently opened. Here I can see my folders that I can group my files into them, and under folders I can see all of the files that I have that aren't grouped into any folder. So yeah guys, let's see. As you can see here I have my suggested files and here I have my folders. You can see I cannot access one of these folders. Let's say that I want to have the access to the folder but the owner doesn't let me open the folder. There is a way that you can request access to be able to open this folder without directly asking it. And there guys, as you can see, we have to find the folder that we do not have the access to, and then we have to go ahead and click on the three dots right here next to the name of the folder. After clicking the three dots guys, now go ahead and open this up. This will now open up this new menu where you will have multiple options such as removing the folder, renaming it, and so on. And as you can see at the top of the page we have an option called request access. Go ahead guys, and we are going to go ahead and click that button. After clicking on request access, you will see an email that says that you have requested access, and if they allow you to get access to this folder, then you will be notified and then you will be able to access this folder again, and you will not need to request access anymore once you want to enter it. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.